Hello fashion lovers and welcome back to Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video and leave your comments in the comment box. In today's video we are going to learn the graph paper art. This art is very beautiful. So these motifs we are going to learn in this art. You can see in the video. So let's start quickly. So very first motif is you just have to draw three parallel lines on alternate graph grids. See, this we have to maintain with. We have to draw one line, one dash, one line, one dash, one line, one dash, and then join the first line to the second diagonally, first to the second and second to the third. In the same way, we'll be joining the lines first with the second, second with the third, like this. Diagonal we have to join these lines. See, and now we have to just join the rest part like this. This design also can be created with two lines, one dash, two lines, one dash, and this would be the design, chain type of a design. This is, you can see, and the next design you can see is this. So now we are creating boxes and the dash on alternate blocks, and in the same way we'll be joining the dash with the boxes like this and then join the rest part like this. So you can see this is also a chain type of a design. Now what we'll do, we'll draw a alternate lines on the block and then we'll again draw the alternate lines but opposite to that. Join this with the diagonal lines and then this is done. Very simple and easy to draw and effective to see. These are the geometrical designs we are creating. On later stages we'll be creating the flowers and the abstract designs also. Here I have taken the plus sign of two blocks. Then we have to create this V kind of a mark, leaving one block as you can see in the video. Then we have to like this, one time it's to touch to the plus and one time it is near to the plus, and this will be the impact. And now again I am taking a cross of one block each, one block and one block. Now we have to diagonally extend by two blocks, 1 2. See, this is 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Again we have to diagonal it for the two blocks, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then we'll join this diagonally. See, and then dot finally. This is a very beautiful design, you can see. Now let's see the next one. Next one is a geometrical design but gives a shape of flower, a diagonal line and a box. Cut the box in two and then draw a triangle. A diagonal line small, then a box, cut the box in two and then triangle, create the triangles, fill the triangles. In the next will be filling the square. In two ways you can create this design. This is very ideal design for the cross stitch kind of the patterns. If you want to use this kantha pattern, if you want to do this like this, right? So next is little bit simple but ornamental. We are creating diyas, the lamps. I am taking curve of two blocks and then curve of one block for the upper portion of the diya, and then with the straight line we can create the light like this, and then you can give the line inside parallel to the upper line. This is very beautiful chain you can create with. Now see the next one. Next one is a Varli kind of an art. In next video we'll be learning the Varli art in detail. So here I am making it on graph paper design. See, cross and then close the upper and the lower line and create this tumbler or the time machine time of a shape. Then create the legs, create the heads with a simple dot in one block, and then join the upper lines. These are the hands. This chain you can create, it will look very beautiful. Now we'll create a ornamental design, abstract ornamental it is. See here, in one block we are creating this shape, spiral kind of, right? And then we can create a lit or the leaf kind of a structure in the middle of every you can say curl, and then join this just we have done in the diya wala pattern, like this, dots, and then a small triangle at the center of every arch. See, this you can use in the embroidery pattern. Again we'll be using the design with the spirals. Here I am making two box spiral. You can see, start with the one and then end on the second, and then give a shape of spiral, 1 and 2 opposite to each other. Then we'll make the dots on center of every spiral, and a rectangle or rhombus type of a shape at the center of every curls. Then with a different color we can create the leaves and small triangles. The designs are endless, you can say. You can create as much as you can, as much as you want. This is just to open up your creativity, and you will get a beautiful design. Though you are not good at drawing, even you can create some. This next is, this is again an ornamental abstract, you can say, chain or the bale. Here we have created one diagonal line, one curve, and given it the shape of flowers with one block. Earlier we were using the straight lines, now we are using the curves. And then we will extend it and draw a curve. Like on the opposite side we'll create the same. Till this, then and curve, give it to the shape of the leaves by using the lines of block, and then the upper one, give the shadings, and then decorate this with, here I am creating a leaf in the middle of the curl, and you can extend this chain up till your requirement. A small curl again, and then dot in the middle. This beautiful design you can see. Now let's see one more. This is again an abstract chain, and in this we'll be creating some leaves, and see here I am not using the curl, I am giving it the shape of leaf, though it is a curl but it is pointed one at the top. And then we just have to give the curve to it. Again, first leave the one, and in the second make a leaf, leave the one and go to the second, and we can repeat this process until we require the chain. Then in the middle I am making a leaf kind of a structure, and here I am making a fern kind of a structure like this. And now we will decorate this with the different color. We'll use the reddish violet color, kind of wine color you can say. With simple dots, simple lines, and using the grids, you can create beautiful designs. As you can see, Now let it create some more complicated design. Now let's create some flowers. So in this I am taking a cross of one block and then taking a round of one block, and it will be a shape of flower, simple flower you can say. In the center of each flower, here we can create the leaf like this, from corner to this dot which we have created in the middle of two blocks like this. Now we'll divide the leaf in two parts. We'll give the design to one and we'll leave one. Like this. And now we'll create the curls or two small flowers at the end of this curl and a small flower, a very small flower. This, how beautifully this is, you can see. Now create one more flower which is little bit different in shape. Here again I am taking a cross from the center, right, and now we'll create the shape of pointed leaf instead of round. Earlier we had taken round, now we are taking pointed, but within the block, right. Now again we'll create the, we will extend the flower by creating more pointed leaves, but now in two blocks, and then we can shade this or we may leave this as it is. It's up to us, depends upon the design we are taking with. And now we'll create the leaves. Now you can see here I'm only using the grids, you can see, because in this the beauty of this design is because it increase your imaginations, because it is limited to the grids, and you otherwise you can use your brain and you can create very beautiful. See, this is completed. Now create one big flower. Here I have taken a circle of two blocks, 2 by 2, then at the center of every one block I am giving this, and at the half of the diagonal I am taking one more just sun-like shape I am giving it. In the center, with every big line on the both side, there will be a diagonal small line ended with a dot, just like the rays of sun. Like this. Now with the one small, one big line, we can create a leaf up till one diagonal and half, up till the next block, one diagonal and half, and like this. Every diagonal is one diagonal and half, every straight petal is just like till next block, at the end of next block. See, now you can just complete the flower. Simple flower we are making, but it looks very beautiful, and you can create some leaves and other things so that you can create with the complete with the this. So on one side I am giving a little bit thick shading to give it the impact of 3D kind of a thing. Diagonally I am darkening it. At the top it is till that, and at the bottom it is little bit wider than of the top. See, this is completed. Now let's see the next design. Now we are creating some abstract designs, ornamental abstract designs, which can be created with the jari designs or the booties or that kind of. So here I am making a rhombus of two blocks and I will extend this to two diagonals. See, this is extended to two diagonals. Shape will be opposite to each other. 1 2 diagonals, and then this 1 2 and this 1 2 and this we have created with. Now what we'll do, we can just take a center, and the using the block we can just give it to the shape. Fill the shape. This is not necessary to do create the same designs. You can create your own. These just are the ideas. Here I am making one more curl just to give it the rich look, and then we can create a small lotus by using one block at the center, then the corner and corner. Three petals we are making lotus kind of a structure, and middle jo leaf is darkened to give the proper impact. See, and you can extend this design vertically, horizontally, or you can create a jal of this design. So this you can create with. So let's see the next. Here I am making a rhombus, but a curved one, you can see, and then I am pointing these blocks and creating the curls. It looks like that this rhombus is continuing this curve, or you can say these curves are creating the rhombus by default. It will look like that. Kite kind of a structure, you can see. It will create an illusion that we have created this centerpiece with the curves only, with these curves only, like this and like this. And then in the center we can create by using one block diya kind of a structure, a lamp kind of a structure. See, this is again an abstract design which you can create, which you can use diagonally and vertically. You can extend this. Now let's see the next design. The same pattern I am taking as we have taken in the previous one, but with a different method. Here you can create like this also. First I am creating the curls, see, and then with the diagonal lines we'll just match this, and it will create an rhombus kind of a structure like this. Here I am just extended it till the corner, see, a leaf kind of a structure, a thin leaf. Let's try to extend this to the next level so that you will get an idea how to extend the design. Again I am using the same thing, same design and structure. You can change the look of the design by using or by changing the size of the grid. Here I am using the quarter inch by quarter inch of grid. See, altogether it will look like this only. Let's create one more abstract design which is opposite to this. Here I am going to create some little hearts, but for that I am taking a cross of two block. At the end I am just making a small curl and a flower and a leaf, you can say. Here also, and the last one. This is just a cross of 2 by 2, or you can say 2 diagonals each side, and ended with the curls and a leaf. Then here I am making a curl just to give it the shape of heart, you can see, and a small heart inside, and fill this. See, a curl facing each other, and it will give you the impact of a heart. Repeating. You try these designs and some new designs, create some new designs on your own. Take a graph paper copy and create some designs. It's very interesting, believe me, and very creative too. It will give you an exercise to think of the designs, and for a designer it is very important to create some motifs, good motifs. So this is a very good technique to create the motifs, and limitations are there, so a lots of creativity is required, but lots of design can be created. Here I'm presenting only 20-21 designs, but you can create 2000 designs out of this, I assure you. See, and you can extend this in any way, in one way, two sides, three chains, four chains, whatever you want. And that's very simple designs I'm creating. One structure of two blocks, and then I am using a petal kind of a structure on the both side by leaving one block. Let's do it with the thick pen, because this is a structure which can be created with the thick pen. I'll just give the outline and then I'll do it with the thick pen like this. See, we can fill this. This is a lotus kind of a shape which has been created with the help of blocks. So for today's video, this is all, friends, and in the next video we'll be meeting with the new topic. And till then, bye bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.